Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mindyourcrypto. Today we have Bitcoin news and price prediction. Of course, we are going to see the crypto market in general, and I wish that you are having a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's start right now with Bitcoin exchange net flow. What is that? If you subtract the inflow minus, of course, the outflow, then you get the total net flow. Okay, and you want it to be negative. You want the inflows to be less than the outflows. Why is that? Because if you have more inflows in the market on most of the exchanges than from Bitcoin as well, okay, then you're going to see probably people dumping Bitcoin and therefore causing a sell pressure and a lower price. Over these last 2 days, I've seen something very, very good. We have an exchange net flow of total minus 28,000. That is very, very good. Into the last few days, we haven't seen such a very, very low exchange net flow. And of course, this is very, very good because that means that the outflows are getting and increasing more than the inflows. Right here, you can see over these last 2 days, we are negative. For now, we are negative as well, 15 May and 14 May. We will see today how are we going to do. And of course, if you want the summary, you can go into the summary right here, and we have some more on-chain analytics. For example, what we are having right here on the overview is the exchange reserve. Okay. So you can see the exchange reserve continues to fall. It indicates lower selling pressure. When you have a lower selling exchange reserve, actually, then you expect a lower sell pressure, and therefore sellers are tired and most likely buyers are going to step in. Of course, this is on the 7-day, it is less. On the last 24 hours, it has increased slightly, but in overall from 11 May and 10 May, it is dropping, as you can see here on the graph. Okay, so therefore this is very, very good as well. And of course, you have some more right here as to the on-chain indicators. For example, if you go here, you can see the adjusted output profit ratio. It explains what it is. This is all on crypto quant. Okay, I'm not advertising anything because I'm not getting paid from this exchange platform. I'm just saying that on this platform right here because it has a summary and it helps me a lot personally. Let's go to some more crypto news. As you all know right here, FTX Bankman-Fried accused of misleading public over Bitcoin because he said that Bitcoin cannot be as an efficient means of payment. Okay, Bitcoin cannot be used as that because it uses the proof of work, while the proof of stake such as Solana he's saying that it is extremely efficient and lightweight and lower energy cost it has. He's invested heavily on Solana, and many people are accusing him of manipulating the market a little bit, manipulating Bitcoin, that it cannot do something, okay, because it has the proof of work consensus right there, while as Solana has the proof of stake, and he thinks that it is better. And of course, many investors right there were thinking that he is manipulating the market. Is he not? Let's see. You can criticize each article that you are reading. And of course, the 44 nations meeting in El Salvador to talk about Bitcoin. You all know that, claims President Bukele. Right here, what we have is that many African countries and many Asian countries, as you can see here the map, okay, you can see that many African and many Asian countries along with some South American here participated, mostly the countries that suffer, okay, and this is a solution to the world's problem. Cryptocurrency market and Bitcoin is here to stay. It is the future, and it was backed up by so many countries right there. So I think that more adoption will come to the next years, and many other countries will adopt Bitcoin as well. For the time being, let's go to BTC USDT price chart analysis. I am on the logarithmic scale right here, where you can go to the regular, whatever you want. What I'm feeling that it will happen, and what actually I'm seeing on the charts, is that we are probably going to get there. We are probably going to get to the 31.8k that we are having, to the 31.7 to 31.8 we are having as a major resistance level. But after, things are quite complicated, okay. it is not certain that we are going to close above and to surpass the 31.7k for BTC USDT, and this is the most problematic scenario. If we find rejection on this important resistance level and we cannot close above, then I believe a more selling pressure will come. For now, for the short term, it isn't likely that we are going to see a huge sell pressure. I do not find how Bitcoin is going to lose and crash down towards the 26k, let's say, for example, or the 25.6k and so on. On the daily frame, we still hold the 28.7k support level line that we are having, and we do not want to close below. Closing below this line, then it means that I think it is over and we are going to get further dump, further huge sell pressure for BTC against USDT chart. As for now, for the short term, we have the 31.7 to 31.8k. Finding resistance right there will bring us way down. BTC dominance right now, as you all can see, we are in the top trend line right here, and I'm expecting nothing more than BTC's dominance dropping down over the next few days. This is a clear descending triangle for me. We also have a crazily high risk right there with the commodity channel index, and therefore that's why I'm thinking that the altcoins dominance will come and kick in soon enough, and this is another factor on why BTC won't probably be going further down. As for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, we are having a little bit of a bearish pennant right here on the 4-hour frame. You can see after a downtrend, lower highs, higher lows, forming the triangle, and we expect the price, if we close below this triangle right here, to just get down into the point 1067, which we already had, and we had a buying pressure going on. This could be actually even the lower low that we had. Okay, and now we recover back up, or we are going eventually to meet the lower target, which is the point 1067, and from there what we are going to do most likely, it is this one right here. We are going to have a huge buying pressure from these two support levels. Anyway, we are forming right here probably a bearish pennant. We have some minor chances into seeing a neutral triangle, but I do not think that this is the case. It comes after a downtrend, but I do not think also that this will cause many problems, as the price will be going, for example, down, and then it's going to find its way upwards, and this is going to be the signal for the altcoins pump. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription as well, Patreon/Mindyourcrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.